I see it? Ooh. Are you going to say it again? Tell him.
Is that so? Desmond.
Is there something else you need to say?
Dude, why are you saying my name in that tone of voice?
Dad.
Yeah?
That's right, you tell him. Tell him. Oh, yeah. I know.
That's a lot of talking to me. There's Mommy in there, too. Okay, can't think of the right word?
I'm thinking. Wow. I know. He told me too. Yeah.